In a blow to California's ongoing resistance to the Trump administration's deportation program, a federal appeals court has struck down a state requirement that masked federal agents must identify themselves. A Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals panel ruled that California cannot enforce a 2025 law requiring federal law enforcement officers to visibly display identification while carrying out their duties. Acting U.S. Attorney General Todd Blanche celebrated the ruling on social media. He wrote, quote, "Today's legal victory in the Ninth Circuit halts enforcement of California's mask ban for ICE agents and is a big win to protect law enforcement." The law was destined to face critical scrutiny from the federal judiciary. An 1890 Supreme Court case says that a state cannot prosecute federal law enforcement officers acting in the course of their duties. The law also ran headlong into the Supremacy Clause of the Constitution, which holds that states may not regulate the operations of the federal government. Governor Gavin Newsom signed it in connection with a law that banned federal immigration agents from wearing masks. The Trump administration sued to challenge both of them. On February 19th, a federal judge issued an injunction against the mask law. The new ruling by a 3-0 decision focuses on the identification requirement. California's lawyers argued that the court should have also considered the state government's concerns about federal immigration enforcement's effect on public safety. Democrats passed the law called the No Vigilantes Act to rein in the federal officers who showed up in masks and without visible identification as they carried out the Trump administration's immigration crackdown.
This bill is about something very simple: the right to know who is knocking at your door, stopping you on the street, or pointing a gun at you.
Lawmakers this year are advancing more bills targeting the administration's immigration agents, including proposals that would bar them from employment in California law enforcement agencies and make it easier for people to sue federal agents over civil rights violations. For CalMatters, I'm Robert Meeks with reporting by Nigel Duara.